What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best Giclee printers. What you should be looking for is a high DPI when it comes to print quality, and make sure the print size fits your needs. Selecting the right one is not easy. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 Giclee printers. Number 1. Canon IP8720 Wireless Giclee Printers.
Are you all my personal dreams?
Canon is very well known for its cameras and printers. The print quality of this one is top-notch. The wireless print functionality adds a ton of convenience. High DPI gives you a very sharp print. You have a 6-color ink system, including gray ink, and a maximum color DPI of 9600 x 2400, which is very impressive. Modern design makes it suitable to use in any setting. Good ink compatibility makes it a versatile printer. Number 2. Canon Image Prograf Giclee Printers. This is another Canon printer. The prints themselves are plenty sharp, and with its inkjet technology.
My personal dreams.
One small gripe we have with this one is the design. It can print fast, which saves you time. If you want to print posters, this is also your go-to. Canon's Image Prograf TA 2024 can churn out 104 posters per hour. Has free poster creation software, which only adds to the overall value. The high-resolution prints give you a quality finished print. Number 3. Epson Expression Photo HD XP 15000 Giclee Printers. Epson's design team did a fantastic job on this one. The design is sleek and very modern without looking ghastly. High-resolution printing gives you crisp images and sharp texts. There is a professional look to the whole thing. The very well-designed printer makes it perfect for use in every kind of setting. Smaller design helps it fit in almost all spaces. Wireless printing gives you convenience.
Are you all my personal
Number 4. Canon Pixma 96820 Wireless Giclee Printers. Canon has essentially produced a big boy printer with this one. Whether you are a professional who needs stunning Giclee prints, the stunning design will lift the ambience of any place. Detailed and quality printing thanks to the large resolution. As for the prints, you won't be disappointed. This one gives you stunning prints with a resolution of 9600 x 2400 dpi. Fast printing speed makes printing multiple pieces easy. The app allows for printing from any compatible device.
Are you all my personal dreams?
Number 5. Epson SureColor T317024 Giclee Printers. The printing speed of this one is quite phenomenal. You can print a 1/D sized prints in just 34 seconds. Great quality prints give you a professional grade final piece. Very fast printing makes it convenient for commercial printing. As we already mentioned, the design is good too. The white color scheme is a nice change compared to the other ones. The design and the color finish a welcomed addition to any space. Large ink cartridges finally get rid of frequent cartridge changes.